Hey guys, I'm about to pour some molten lead. Ignore the dogs barking in the distance. We have neighbors. And it's kind of hard to do this one-handed. So I'm going to have to basically skip till I have the thing in my hand. And I'm using this little tool to grab it. And if you're curious what I'm melting it in, right there, the little container right there. So we'll get back to you when I have the molten container in my little forceps, I could say. Okay guys, ignore the dogs barking, but as you can see, it's going hot. I have it much hotter than I should have, but I gotta get this going or it'll cool in the container and I'll have to melt it all again. So, well, that was scary. That's an example of always why you want to basically heat your molds up, or because, yeah, I'm not going to put that in there, it's going to happen again, but it's basically an example why you don't want to put your really hot object about 900 degrees into an object about 60, 70. That was dangerous, but hope you guys subscribe, and this is my my 5 sub special, so if you're new, hit the sub button, and I'll see you in the next one.